Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this Simple Picot Edge stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to single crochet and double crochet. This edging is good for any projects with multiples of 3 plus 1. Also, if you need help with any of those stitches, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitching and techniques. To get started, I've just crocheted a quick little swash to represent maybe like a blanket edge or scarf, whichever. So for row 1, you are going to start off by joining your yarn at the edge of your work, like so, and then you're going to chain 3. Then you're going to double crochet into the same space where you joined your yarn, followed by double crocheting in every single stitch until the end of the row. Then you will turn your work. So this is how the edging's looking so far. Now for row 2, you're going to start off by chaining 1 and single crocheting in the next stitch. Then you'll go straight into the repeat, which is going to be single crocheting in the next stitch, chaining 5, and then single crocheting in the next 2 stitches. You'll repeat this till the end of the row and then fasten off your work. So again, it's single crocheting 1, chaining 5, and then single crocheting 2. And this is what gives it the Simple Picot effect. And there you have it. You have finished making the Simple Picot Edge stitch pattern. Again, this pattern is great for blankets or scarves or whichever you'd like to put any fancy edging on. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day!